Hi, welcome. Today we're going to do replacement bulb and how to remove your rear light on an Audi A4. Same for the B6 and B7. So let's get access to the boot. When you get in there, you'll see a little cover, round dial. Just give that a quarter turn and then that comes off. And then you'll see a bolt inside. You can use a hex head on it, but you're better off using a 8mm socket on a ratchet, because it just makes it a little bit easier. So literally just buzz that off. Oh yeah, top tip, I have seen on some videos as well, people taking this off because there's an adjustment bolt in there, but don't do that because otherwise you won't be able to get it back on. So I bought brand new lights purely because the old ones are cracked and this was missing and letting water in and you couldn't stick it back on. It's just a nightmare, so leave that alone. That's my recommendation anyway. Right, back to this little job. So once you got that out, nice long thread, there's actually 2 rubber grommets on the inside in there, so you just got to be nice and careful. Some people tape around the edge to stop your light from popping out. I've got to do this one-handed with a bad hand. So start off by wriggling from the front, and fortunately for me, this one is very easy, hopefully. So I've worked it from the front, stand close to it, and then just get your fingers in around there, and then that comes out. There you go, you can see your little rubber grommets now. So you've got one in there, one at the top, and you've got these little location cutouts. So obviously that gives you access to your bulbs. You can change your bulbs, which are easy. You just rotate these round, pull them out, put your bulbs in. Simple stuff. Or if you want to change your headlight, your backlight, you can obviously do that. Your main plug is just on the inside there. You can see that. So you just push the little bits in, the clips at the top, and then that pops out. So nice and easy. So now I'm just going to reverse and put it back in place. Thanks for watching. Cheers.